Come with us to China's biggest car parts assembly company. Genwood Ventures 001 for business inquiries. Plus to 54719588588.
So guys, here is a assembling point of Audi bumpers. So here we have engines for Porsche Cayenne. Guys, if you're out there and you have a Porsche, we have your engines. It will get to you in a
here the body kits, the back lights, the body kits. You can see these ones are ready. This one is ready for shipping.
Oh, this one. This is how they wrap them to secure them from maybe getting scratches and all that.
Used mirrors,
Side mirrors.
and new mirrors, whichever you choose.